Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2021 Harley-Davidson CVO Tri-Glide with only 2,674 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with fender bras, Advance and Hines exhaust, passenger armrests, and comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, heated seats, TPMS, a keyless ignition, multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, navigation, intercom, and electronic locking luggage. Sporting the most powerful V-twin motor Harley-Davidson has ever produced, and a stunning sunset orange and sunset black paint set, the CVO Tri-Glide was built to go the distance in comfort and style, while offering premium comfort without sacrificing its impressive performance. Powered by a 117 cubic inch V-twin motor, the Tri-Glide puts 105 horsepower and 125 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. It weighs in at 1,239 pounds and has a 25.9 inch seat height. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.